Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Mini Cooper. First, park the working vehicle close to your Mini, ensuring they are not touching. Turn off both vehicles completely and engage their parking brakes. This crucial first step prevents electrical surges and ensures your safety. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like gloves and safety glasses. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your Mini's dead battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. This sequence is vital for a safe connection. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Mini Cooper, away from the battery. This creates a safe ground. Now, start the working vehicle and let it run for approximately 5 minutes to charge your Mini's battery. After this brief charge, try starting your Mini Cooper. It should now have enough power. Once your Mini Cooper starts, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. Remove the black negative clamp from your Mini's metal surface first. Then, disconnect the black negative clamp from the working vehicle's battery. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the working vehicle, and finally, the red positive clamp from your Mini. Drive your Mini for at least 15 minutes to ensure the battery recharges properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.